Okay, a warm good morning to all of you. I hope it's audible to all of you. Is it audible to all of you? Shilpi Bharadwaj, is it audible to you, Vita? Voice aa raha hai
Yes,
aapka?
sir.
Great. Okay. So we'll start the session as what we have been discussed yesterday. We have been discussed about the concept of the TCP/IP protocol, shoot, and some other doubts, whatever we do have, right? So let us recontinue from the session which we have completed yesterday. Let's have a quick recap of that particular different kind of protocols which we have learned yesterday, right? And post that, we will try to sum up, we will try to conclude this whole unit which is going on under this whole session, right? So let us recall the protocols or the architecture, the protocol shoots, which generally we are using under the TCP/IP architecture, right? So one by one, what I'll do, I'll just ask you to unmute your mic, right? You all have to unmute your mic accordingly as I call up your names, right? And when I say now you can unmute, then only you have to unmute your mic. Till the time you should make, so then only you have to mute your mic. Till the time you have to unmute it, right? Randomly I will ask the questions to anyone, not in a sequence, right? So be ready for the answers, right? So let's start with Shailesh first. Shailesh, please unmute your mic first.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Shailesh, we have an application layer, right? We have an application layer. Here
Yes,
we
sir.
are talking about the TCP/IP 4-layer architecture, right? So can you please tell me that tell me that how many protocols this application layer contains, or how many various categories of the protocols that application layer contains? Can you please elaborate it?
So it contains 4 types of
Right,
protocols,
right.
in which ARP
Mm-hmm.
and POP
Mm-hmm.
and SMTP,
Right.
TFTP,
Mm-hmm.
or
Okay, what is the full form of TFTP, Salesh?
tri Tribal File Transfer Protocol.
Right. Okay, you can unmute. You can mute it now. Next, turn on to Shilpi. Shilpi, see, uh,
Yes, sir.
what are the different file transfer protocols which are available in application layer? What are the different file transfer protocols which are available in the application layer? Different file transfer protocols.
Sir, FTP or TFTP?
Very good. FTP or TFTP. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत अच्छा, ठीक है. What are the email protocols?
Sir, I'm sorry.
Okay. See, what is the use of the transport layer? Why we are using transport layer in any network architecture, whether OSI, whether TCP/IP? Shilpi, please
Sir,
pay attention. Don't know?
no,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, you can mute your mic now. Right. Next, Suman Rathan. Suman, unmute your mic. Suman,
Yes, sir.
what is the acronym of DHCP? What is the acronym of DHCP? Full form क्या है बेटा DHCP का?
क्या रहा यार? चलो बता नहीं.
Okay. Differentiate connection oriented and connectionless. Suman, leave that question. What is the difference between connection oriented and connectionless protocol? Please close your notebooks. No one will open their notebook. Yeah.
सर कनेक्शनलेस यार मैंने पढ़ा भी नहीं पता इतने दिन से
Okay. What is the full form of NAT? Do not unmute. Yeah. Do not mute. Sorry. Just unmute your mic. Okay, Suman, can you please explain the topic which you know more better in networking? कोई एक ऐसा टॉपिक जिसको आप बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर सकती हैं वो आप मुझे बता दीजिए
मत करना पागल है तू
प्लीज not make unwanted conversations. You are in the class, right? Yeah. And any single topic which you know better in networking.
सर मुझे नहीं पता
कोई एक ऐसा टॉपिक जिसके बारे में आप बहुत अच्छे से बता सकती हैं प्लीज आप अपना नोटबुक बंद कर लीजिए बेटा
सर नोटबुक नहीं है मेरे पे देखो
ठीक 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 बता दो कोई सा भी एक टॉपिक बता दो
सर ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर
बता दो
सर उसमें एंड टू एंड डिलीवरी होती है सर वो रिस्पांसिबल होता है एंड टू एंड डिलीवरी के लिए
अच्छा बहुत बढ़िया और दैट्स ऑल
नो सर और भी है
Don't you think that whatever conversations is going on, Shilpi is laughing again and again. This all is being uploaded with our YouTube channel. So beware that whenever you speak, whenever you explain anything, do not make unwanted conversation, right? Yeah. Okay, Suman, thanks. It was nice interaction with you. Next to Sakshi Negi. Sakshi,
Yes, sir.
see, what is the use of or what are the protocols that is being used under the internet layer of this TCP IP protocol suite architecture? Internet layer के अंदर कौन-कौन से protocols आती है बेटा? उसके बारे में बता दीजिएगा.
Sir, IP Internet Protocol.
Very good.
ICMP. बस सर इतना ही पता है.
बेटा IP support में आता है ICMP, routing protocols में आता है OSPF या GRP, right? And normal IP support में IP, NAT and ICMP. What is the full form of NAT?
Network Address Transaction Protocol.
Okay, thank you. Amit Sagar, unmute your mic, beta. Turn on your video. Why it is showing black screen? Amit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the use of ARP, Amit? ARP. I think there was some network connectivity from Amit end. So not an issue, Amit. We will talk to you later on. Please ping me once there is proper stable network connection. Harshit Tyagi. Harshit Tyagi.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Harshit, what are the routing protocols which is being used under internet layer? कौन-कौन सी routing protocols use होती हैं internet layer में?
Hello.
Yeah. What are the routing protocols which is being used under routing protocols? Don't know?
Sir, routing protocols के अंदर कौन से protocols use होते हैं?
Yeah, there is a category under the internet layer. We have IP support, we have routing protocols, right? Under IP support, we have been used IP, NAT, ICMP, right? So I just wanted to know about the name of the protocols which can be used under routing protocols. I just wanted to know the names. Okay, just
Sir, sorry, sir.
leave it. Okay, what is the full form of OSPF?
OSPF, sir. Open, shortest path
Uh-huh.
first.
What about EIGRP?
Sir, enhanced interior gateway routing protocol.
Very good. Right. So these are the two protocols which are used under the routing protocols on internet layer. Clear, Harshit?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, beta. Okay. Who is left? Tushar Sajwan. Unmute your mic, Tushar. Tushar, are you there? Yeah, Tushar. Tushar, don't show your newspaper and teacup. Tushar. Okay, I think it is not audible to Tushar. Okay. Abhishek. Abhishek Roy, unmute your mic. Abhishek Roy.
Yes, sir.
Abhishek, can you please explain a single topic about which you know in details? कोई भी एक सिंगल टॉपिक रैंडम आप ले लीजिएगा और उसके बारे में आप कुछ 1-2 मिनट बता दीजिए, कोई भी सिंगल टॉपिक. That's as per your choice.
सर इतना तो नहीं बोल पाऊंगा.
हाँ, बट बताओ, कुछ तो बताओ. Any single topic, please don't waste our time here. Abhishek, if you know, say yes. If you don't know, say no. Are you comfortable to speak about? Fine. Same question to Tushar. Tushar Sajwan. Leave it. Amit Sagar. Is it audible to you, Amit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, can you please speak about a single topic which you know better in details? Around one to 2 minutes. You have to speak around 1 to 2 minutes about the topic, about any of the topic by which you know more better, right? Yeah. Take any topic randomly and speak about it. And if possible, turn on your video. If not possible, don't turn it on if your network is distracting. Right. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
IP address, sir.
Great. हाँ. Yeah. बताइए.
इसमें IP एड्रेस की अलग सिस्टम को दिया जाता है, उसके एड्रेस को सिखाने के लिए एक अलग यूनिक एड्रेस दिया जाता है सिस्टम को. और इसमें 5 क्लासेस होती हैं जिसमें ABCDE ए की रेंज 1 से लेके 127 तक होती है. और बी की रेंज 128 टू 191 एंड सी की 192 टू 223.
Okay.
ओके. और बी की 224 से लेके 239 और ई की 242 255. डी एक्सपेरिमेंटल रिसर्च यूज के लिए और क्लास ई रिजर्व होती है.
Okay, thank you so much, Amit. So at least you have tried and you speak well about the topic, right? Now you can mute your mic, right? And we'll start our session. We'll carry forward the remaining part of that PPT, which I have already shared with you, right? So let us move on to the, slide number 19. If some of you have connected with your machines, with your desktops or laptops or whatever you do have, right? And if you don't have, you can listen it carefully, right? If you require, then I'll do share that screen with you. Let me share that screen with you so that you can just have a look on that particular concept, which I'm gonna explain to all of you. I hope you have seen the screen in front of you, right? Is it visible to all of you? Harshit, are you getting the screen? Yes? Salesh, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay. So let us discuss about the IP routers, right? Here we are discussing the concept of the IP routers. This was the final conclusion of this entire discussions which we are making since last Monday, right? See, when an IP packet is sent from a computer, it arrives at an IP router. देखिएगा बेटा क्या होता है, जैसे ही आईपी पैकेट क्या करता है, सेंट होता है किसी से, किससे, आपके कंप्यूटर से, तो ये कहां पहुंचता है, किसके पास पहुंचता है, आईपी रूटर के पास पहुंचता है, ठीक है. द आईपी रूटर इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर रूटिंग द पैकेट टू द करेक्ट डेस्टिनेशन डायरेक्टली और वाया अनदर रूटर, ठीक है ना. हाउ इट ट्रांसफर दैट पर्टिकुलर रूटिंग द पैकेट टू द करेक्ट डेस्टिनेशन, जो भी उसका एग्जैक्ट डेस्टिनेशन होगा, ठीक है ना, डायरेक्टली या तो डायरेक्टली या फिर वाया अनदर रूटर, ठीक है ना. इट मीन सपोज वी हैव मल्टीपल रूटर्स इन एनी नेटवर्क, right? Definitely if you are talking about the internet, so definitely we have multiple routers being connected, then only we are getting access, right? So this is happening like that. The path of the packet will follow might be different from other packets of the same communication. The router is responsible for the right addressing depending on traffic volumes, errors in the network or other parameters. I hope it is clear to all of you. Sakshi Neg, is it clear to you, beta? Sakshi, आपके समझ
Yes,
में
sir.
आया? समझ में आया? Whatever I have written, that is nothing. देखिएगा बेटा क्या होगा, जैसे ही आपका आईपी पैकेट कहां से सेंड होगा, कंप्यूटर से सेंड होगा, तो ये किसके पास जाएगा, आईपी रूटर के पास जाएगा. आईपी रूटर का जो काम होता है वो क्या है, जो पैकेट जो भी भेजा हुआ है किसने, यूजर ने, उस पैकेट के रिगार्डिंग जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है उसको वहां से डायरेक्ट डेस्टिनेशन से या तो डायरेक्टली लेके आना, या फिर किसी और जो बीच में मीडियम एक और राउटर लगा हुआ है उस राउटर के पास, या उस राउटर से वहां तक इजीली पहुंच सकता है. तो राउटर इंटर कम्युनिकेशन भी हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि उस राउटर से वहां तक इजीली पहुंचा जा सकता है, तो वो वहां से उस इंफॉर्मेशन को लेके आता है. अच्छा देखिए, द पाथ ऑफ द पैकेट विल फॉलो might be different from other packet of the same communication. The router is responsible for the right addressing depending on the traffic volumes, errors in the network or other parameters, right? So this is all about the IP routers. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now let us correlate this IP router concept with IP addresses, right? See what we did in the IP addresses. You all are aware about the IP addresses. Let us see, students, that which class of IP address it was. Amit Sagar, ये जो IP लिखा हुआ है 172.16.254.1, और लोग भी अपने माइंड में रखेंगे तब तक, ये किस, see that is yeah, class C, class B. शैलेश, is he right? सही बोल रहे हैं?
सर क्लास सी से बिलोंग करता है ना, 216 से शुरू है.
Very good. See, we have to check the first octet. Yes, don't get confused. Sagar, why you are getting confused? Don't get confused, na Sagar? what we need to check if we are taking about the IP addresses ना, तो हम लोग क्या check करते हैं? We are checking the first octet, right? And let us see that what was the value of the first octet. First octet का value क्या है? 172. 172 comes under which class? 172 किस क्लास में आएगा? एक सौ बहत्तर किस क्लास में आएगा भाई? सी 1 to 127. 1 to 127 comes under A. ठीक है? 128 to 191 comes under B. So why it is class C? Who is saying class C? Shailesh, why you are getting confused? Right? 192.
सर मैं इसका बता रहा था, 216 का बता रहा था मैं.
अच्छा नहीं बेटा, 216 का नहीं, स्क्रीन पे जो दिखा हुआ मैंने उसकी बात की है. मैंने 172 की बात की है. 172
वो तो
comes
क्लास
as-
बी में है.
right, 172 comes under class B, right? That is very much clear that it is it is representing the dotted decimal notation. Dotted decimal notations का मतलब मैंने आपको बताया था, it's IP version 4, ठीक है ना? So it comes under class B, right? So an IP address is an identifier for a computer or a device on a TCP IP network using the TCP IP protocol. Route message based on the IP addresses of the destination. IPv4 uses 32 binary bits to create a single unique address on a network that you all know very well. The IPv4 address is expressed by 4 numbers separated by dots. It means 4 octets are there. Each number is decimal base 10. Representation of 8-digit binary base 2 number. Right? See, this is IPv6 uses 128 bit. Acha, let us see the difference. That IPv4 use how many bits? 32 binary bits, right? And IPv6 uses how many bits? 128. ठीक है? Bits to create a single unique address on the network. And IPv6 is expressed by 8 groups of 8 groups. Class ले रहे हैं बाद में उठाएं. IPv6 uses 128 binary bits to create a single unique address on the network, and IPv6 address is expressed by 8 group of hexadecimal base 16 numbers separated by colons as in. Right? अच्छा guys, let us see the difference in between. देखिएगा बेटा, आप लोगों ने क्या देखा था? डॉटेड डेसिमल नोटेशंस में यू हैव बीन फाउंड द डॉट्स इन बिटवीन. ठीक है शैलेश, यू हैव बीन फाउंड द डॉट्स इन बिटवीन, राइट? एंड इट रिप्रेजेंट द नंबर इन डेसिमल फॉर्म. डेसिमल फॉर्म मींस that number, that series, that range lies between 0 to 9, right? Not above that, right? Here what he has written, it is expressed by 8 groups of hexadecimal. Acha, let us see how many groups are there. There are 4 groups. It means there are 4 octets, right? So let us see how many groups are there. Here we have, yes, 8 groups. 8 groups means, let us see 8 groups: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Understood, Shailesh? Is it clear? Right? Next, acha, base 16. Hexadecimal means base 16. It means here we are using the range from 0 to F. Right? 0 to 9 is similar as we are using in decimal. Right? 10 means A, 11 means B, 12 means C, 13 means D, 14 means E, or 15 means F. Right? That is 0 to F. Is it clear, students? Base 16. Numbers separated by colons. Right? There we are using dots. Right? But here in hexadecimals, what we are using? Amit? We are using colons. Right? You all are aware about the colons. Colons means just like that. 2 dots parallel. 2 parallel dots is being represented as a colon. Right? And how many pairs are there? How many octets are there? There are not octets, we called it. Right? There are 8 octets. Right? See this 1, 2, 3, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is all about the IP addresses. I hope it is clear to all of you. If you do have any confusion, feel free to let me know. Anyone has any confusion? Sakshi Negi, beta, do you have any confusion on this? On any of the point? Sakshi,
Yes, sir.
any confusion, beta?
No, sir.
Great, right? Let us move on to the next session, right? Or next PPT. That is, yes. Let us see what is domain names, right? Domain names. What is domain names? Domain names is nothing. See, guys, yesterday I have been told you about the. Acha, why you have turned off your videos? The students who don't have any network issue, why you have turned off your videos, right? Just turn it on, right? Right. Fine. Okay. Domain names. Let us discuss about the domain names. A network software is generally needs a 32-bit internet address. ठीक है ना? See, let's suppose this is for the network connections, guys. Right. Now, if you are talking about the domain names, users prefer to deal with computer names rather than numbers. Thus, there is a database that allows the software to look up a name and find the corresponding number. Each system would have a file that listed for all the other systems, giving both their names and number. These files have been replaced by a set of names such that keep track of host name and the corresponding internet address. सबके ऊपर से निकल गया होगा. यस, कितनों के समझ में आया? शैलेश, समझ में आया बेटा?
ये सर थोड़ा बहुत आ गया.
देखो बेटा क्या होता है, देखिए, if we are broadcasting any website in the internet, what we need to do, what was the general process, what was the starting process, what we need to do, we need to brought up the domain first. ठीक है? Once we brought the domain, ठीक है, जैसे हम लोग domain को brought up कर देते हैं, right? So post domain broughting, right? What we need to do, it will provide us an space within the network. ठीक है ना? डोमेन जैसे ही हम लोग बाय करते हैं तो ये आपको एक डोमेन स्पेस प्रोवाइड करवाता है नेटवर्क में, आपको एक एग्जिस्टेंस देता है. ठीक है ना? तो किसी भी वेबसाइट को डोमेन स्पेस इसलिए हम लोग लेते हैं कि whatever content that website contain that keeps stored under that particular domain address, right? और वो वहां पर अगर कीप अप रहेगी तो you can access it from anywhere within the World Wide Web after broadcasting that website. Are you getting my point, Sailesh? Yes.
Yes,
See,
sir.
student, as the college and institution is domain for you people, right? You people are paying the fees to the college, right? To getting the domain access. Getting the domain access means what? It means it will allow you to provide the, provide the lectures, or we are here to provide you the lectures, right? And you all are getting these all activities done from the centralized space that is your institution, right? So this is somehow known as a domain. Any confusion? Better अभी आपको जब servers हम पढ़ाएंगे तो then we will explain you that what is DNS, what are the some other servers. I hope it is clear to all of you. Cell is clear, beta? Now
Yes, sir.
move on to the next slide, that is TCP communication, right? Let us check on the TCP communication. As we have already told you that it's a connection oriented system. It mainly consists of 4 main tasks, that is establishment, data transmission, error detection, correction, acknowledgement and connection closure. कोई समस्या किसी को शायद नहीं होनी चाहिए, right? I hope this is clear to all of you. Then we have three-way handshake. What is three-way handshakes? Let us see. Let's suppose this is host 1, this is host 2, this was client, this was server. See, synchronization, ISN is equal to A, acknowledgement is equal to 0. Again, synchronization, acknowledgement, right? ISN is equal to B, acknowledgement is equal to A plus 1. ACK, acknowledgement, ISN is equal to A plus 1, ACK is equal to B+1. Let us try to learn, let us try to understood this figure because we have complete the entire PPT. So let us try to learn. अगर समझ में नहीं आएगा तो we will let you know by Monday. Right, students? Let us try to learn this whole figure because this was the core conclusion of this particular session which we have completed till date. Right? Let us have a look on the demo. Right? See, TCP/IP based technologies. What are the technologies which are used under this TCP/IP? We have internet, VoIP, wireless mobile technology, right? Internet broadcasting and multi-homing, right? And thank you all of you for watching this PPT, right? Thanks again. Now, let us move on to the entire conclusion, right? That everything, whatever we have been learned, I hope you all learned each and everything in detail because we have, we have taken the whole week to complete this PPT. Yes, Shailesh, if I'm not wrong, right? So we have taken the entire week and we learned each and everything, each and every keynote, each and every points in the detailed manner, right? So I hope you all learned each and everything. But yes, I'm not saying that you all are much comfortable on this, right? If you do have any kind of queries or confusion on this, you feel free to ask me any question. We will, if you require, so we will discuss the same session by Monday, right? And yes, that Tyagi, Harshit, do you have the syllabuses? Harshit Tyagi. Harshit Tyagi. Harshit Tyagi was there? Harshit was there? Harshit. Okay. I think he has some network issue. Shilpi was there? Shilpi, unmute your mic, beta.
Yes, sir.
Shilpi, do you have syllabus of your BCA computer networks? आपके पास syllabus तो है computer networks का?
Yes, sir.
Shilpi, what you need to do? You need to find out. Unmute your mic. Yeah. Why you are muting it again and again? Unmute it. Right. See, what I'll do. I'll just give you a task. Right. What you need to do? You need to go through the entire syllabus. Right. And you have to find the topic, the term which we have not discussed till dated in the class, right? And you have to ping me that particular topic on my WhatsApp number. And the same thing you need to do Sakshi Negi. Sakshi Negi, आपको भी यही सब करना है जो शिल्पी करेगी. आपको पूरा सिलेबस स्कैन करना है और कोई भी पॉइंट, कोई भी की नोट, नॉट अ सिंगल, कोई भी एक सिंगल एक उसमें फुल स्टॉप ही नहीं छूटना चाहिए. अगर वो चीज क्लास में अभी नहीं हुई है मेरे द्वारा तो आप मेरे को जो है मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे लिख के भेजेंगे उस पूरा कंटेंट का नाम, so that we can start working on it, and post that we will make the revision, whether in the offline class, whether in the online class, whatever can be initiated by the institution. Right, students? Right. And just now I have shared the whole notes which I have been prepared, that is unit 4 and unit 5. It means now you all do have the entire notes of your bachelor in computer application, computer networks notes. You all received the questions, that yes, a kind of questions which is being asked in your external examinations, which will surely help you out, right? Just go through all these questions, and Sailesh and some other students, whoever are the part of the today's class, you all have to scan the entire syllabus and send me the thing which we have not discussed till this. Right, students? So, any confusion to anyone? If you do have any kind of confusion, feel free to ask me. If you do have, Shilpi, any confusion, beta?
No, sir.
Great. Suman, any
कॉलेज कब से
confusion?
खुल रहे हैं?
Maybe देखो अभी देखो अभी क्या हो गया कि that our government has been passed the, you know, a written notice for that, but we didn't receive any ordinance from the university yet. देखो क्या होगा ना कि शासन यूनिवर्सिटी को भेजेगा and university हमको जब ordinance भेजेगी then only we will let you know, but maybe from the coming week it will get started 15, 16 or whatever dates being decided, जो भी date decide होगी. So we will inform you on your official groups and we will let you know, and you have to plan for the colleges accordingly, because government has, you know, started the you know, technical institutions along with certain guidelines. So whatever guidelines we receive, so that we will let you know accordingly on your official groups. Right, Shailesh? Right. Okay, so
Yes,
much.
sir.
Any confusion, beta? Any confusion on anything? Suman Rathan. कोई भी चीज जो समझ में नहीं आई हो, कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो प्लीज बताइए.
ये
Yes.
कल का टॉपिक मुझे समझ
कल का टॉपिक चल ठीक है, नॉट एन इशू. ठीक है, जस्ट बेटा गो थ्रू द पीपीटी. वो पीपीटी तो है ना आपके पास जो हमने भेजी हुई है ना? जस्ट उससे गो थ्रू कर लेना. फिर कोई कंफ्यूजन आएगा तो मेरे को फिर पिंग करना. ठीक है, मेरे को व्हाट्सएप करना. ठीक है बेटा, किसी भी चीज में. ठीक है, राइट. नेक्स्ट साक्षी. Any confusion, beta?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
Shailesh,
No, sir.
everything is clear. Harshit, Harshit Tyagi, Amit Sagar,
No, sir.
okay. Roy, Abhishek Roy, any confusion? Okay, students, thank you so much for your kind patience, right? I hope you all enjoy the session and I hope you learn from the session, right? By the time, be safe, take care, kudos. Thank you so much. Now you can leave the session.